Yes, children, today we are going to study about the first chapter, that is plants increasing the numbers. Now the first we will see that why do we require plants? We require plants for many things, like for fruits and vegetables as food, and for fiber, for making clothes, for medicines, we get wood for making furniture, etc. So plants we require for many different needs, but how can we grow in numbers? The first method is how to grow from the seed. So for that we have to see that what the structure of the seed. First of all, we will see the structure of the seed. So just check it out. Here the structure of the seed is here, and this is the structure of the seed. But first, before that, I will ask you to just soak some gram seeds into water for 24 hours, and after 24 hours you can see that it has become soft and swollen because it has soaked the water, and there is the outer covering comes out, that is called seed coat, and then it breaks open into two parts which are called cotyledons. You can see here, this is seed coat and these are cotyledons. Now seed coat protects the seeds, okay, when it is dry. And cotyledons, what is the function of the cotyledons? Cotyledons provide food when the seed starts germinating to the embryo. This is the embryo, okay. So from the embryo only, when there is a favorable condition, the new plant starts growing. And here we can see that two things starts coming out when the seed is soaked and it starts germinating. The one which is going upwards, that is called plumule, or we can call it later on it will grow into shoot. And at the bottom we can see another thing grows out towards the soil, that is called radicle, and it is later on grow into root. Okay. So again we will see that there are two types of seeds. So when we soak the seeds into water for 24 hours and we try to open it or break open it, so some seeds don't break open at all. They are called monocot seeds. Okay, so the examples are wheat, maize and rice. You can see the monocot seeds. And some other seeds, they break open into two parts when they are soaked, and means they are called dicot. Mono means one and di means two. So dicot seeds means there are two parts, two cotyledons, like peas and beans and gram beans. You can see the kidney beans. You call it rajma in Hindi. Okay, so then we will see that how the seeds grow. All the seeds cannot grow. The plant grows many seeds. So all the seeds do not grow into plants. So they should get some favorable conditions. If they don't get favorable conditions like proper amount of moisture, air, moisture means water, sunlight, so or space, they will not grow. Or some seeds are sometimes have some diseases. They are not fully developed. Some seeds are destroyed by the insects, animals. So they will also not germinate. So now here we will see that what are the conditions for germination of seeds. For this we will do one experiment. We will take some gram seeds and we will take 4 plates and we will number them 1, 2, 3, 4. In first plate we will keep some dry gram seeds and put it out in the sun, and we will number them. In the second plate we will pour some water, or rather we will not take the plate, we will take a beaker and put some water and put the seeds inside. So the seeds are settled at the bottom. And in the third one, we will put the seeds, soaked seeds, in the refrigerator. Keep it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. And in the fourth plate, we will keep some soaked seeds in the cotton wool in the sunlight. Now after 2-3 days, what are we going to see? What are the changes here? The changes here that in the first, which one will germinate? We will see in the first plate it does not germinate because it is not soaked. The seeds are not soaked. So it does not get any water or moisture. It gets only air and sunlight. In the second one, since the seeds are settled inside the water, so it does not, these seeds don't get any air. Even if it is kept outside, it's getting only air and water. So it's it's only getting water and sunlight, no air. And in the third one, in the refrigerator, we have kept some soaked seeds. So there is not getting only moisture and air, but no sunlight. And in the fourth one, we have kept some soaked seeds in the cotton wool and kept outside. So there it is getting air, sunlight in proper amount, and also it is, since it is soaked, so it starts germinating. So what are the 4 conditions that we are going to study? Here, like the first is air. Why does it need air? For breathing. And moisture means water. And why does it need? To make the seed coat soft, so that the seed can germinate. The embryo can grow into a new plant. It will allow the seed to break open and the new baby plant can come out. And warmth. Why does it need warmth? Warmth is required for the cells of the seed to become active so that it can grow.